Ryan Morris here with Advanced RV. This is a 2018 38K Fleetwood Pace Arrow. This has a bunch of slides. Beautiful finishes on this one. Excellent condition on all of the chairs. Amazing leather sofa and booth dinette. This has got a big U-shaped booth dinette. Full-size fridge, microwave, and range top burner there. It's got the entertainment style package TV. Excellent coach. As you come back this direction, there's washer dryer in here. Mid bathroom. King size bed. Excellent storage and entertainment. And then back in the back, the master bathroom. Check it out. Full size shower. Again, this is a 2018 38K Fleetwood Pace Arrow. You can go to advancedrv.net to get all of the information. This is a Class 8 diesel, 340 horsepower, Cummins on a Freightliner chassis. Come down, call us, whatever you need to do to get your information. advancedrv.net.